Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to make iPhone ringtone without hacking iPhone. You can contact me at info@sockenspresto.com. First go to my computer net, click on tools, click on folder options, click on view and unchecked hide extension for non-types. Click on and click on OK. After this, open your iTunes. Select the song which you want to convert into ringtones. Right click on it, click on get info, click on options, select the start time and end time. It has to be the 30 seconds. Ringtones is 30 seconds. So you choose from any 30 seconds time frame, 0 to 30 or 15, anything like 10 to 45 or something like that. Okay, it's up to you. Then click on OK. Then right click on it, click on convert selection to AAC, converting. It's been converted now. Go and do the song. Fanatic. Here you can see it's 30-second one. Right my tones. So in Windows Explorer, right click on it. So it's Windows Explorer. Then click on the song. Here, cut. Right click. Go to folder where I store my music. You can make any folder and right click on it and click on paste over here. You can see it's in movie format. Now you have to rename it into ring format. Right click on it, click on rename and change from mp4a to mp4r, and to say are you sure you want to change it, you just click on yes. And once it's done, drag your ringtone to your ringtones in iTunes. Now you can see in iTunes Fanatic. Once it's done, go to your device, right click it and click on sync. Then it will start synchronizing. A little bit time while synchronizing your iPhone, so wait for a minute. Once it synchronizes complete, open your iPhone, go to settings, go to sounds, go to ringtones, and in custom you can see the Fanatic. Select that one and your ringtone has been set. Thank you for listening to me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.